Hi guys, I am in Milan, Italy. This is my room. Let me just switch the camera. So this is my room. I don't see a TV. Let me just show you wardrobe. And then, why is the light off? Me. Oh, I have a TV. Here. Let's check the view. Oh. Alright, this is the view. This is my first time over here. I don't think so मैं कुछ ज़्यादा shoot करने वाली हूँ because I don't feel the best. It's 2nd of Jan today. I don't know when am I gonna post this video. Maybe in the month of February or March, depending. I had biryani and bhindi bhaji from a local restaurant first, and I feel horrible. I felt horrible throughout the flight because my stomach was hurting. Not the best experience. My plan was to go to the cathedral over here. Cathedral, I can't even pronounce, but ho nahi raha hai mujhse because my stomach is hurting a lot. So plan change, maybe on my next layover I'm gonna do it, but today I'm just gonna go maybe to bed right now, and in the evening at around 6 o'clock we all go out for dinner, and that's it. And I'm flying with my batchmate, so I need to gossip with her. I know the vlog is not gonna be the best, but I'm still recording. Guess what, guys? We were supposed to go out by 6 in the evening, but I had to cancel it क्योंकि मैं इतना ज़्यादा बीमार पड़ चुकी हूँ because I can't believe I'm flying with my batchmate and I do not have the slightest of energy to move out of the house. I'm saying of the room. And this was one of the favorite destinations. I wanted to go out. I wanted to see some things. I wanted to chit chat with her and stuff like that, but I felt sick. So I'm just gonna get some room service and try and sleep because I think मेरे body को rest चाहिए. I have been doing a lot of back-to-back layovers and my exams were going on, and I have not been prioritizing myself, I guess. So yeah. कोई कोई मुझे गाली भी दे सकता है कि कैसा क्रू है, लेओवर पे जाके बाहर नहीं जा रहा है, बट आई स्वेयर मेरी हालत ख़राब है. I'm gonna order something and eat. I still love Asian layovers, not European, Italian and all that layovers, क्योंकि यहाँ पे room service नहीं होता है. I swear. I'm not saying all hotels में नहीं होता है. The hotels which we stay in. और मुझे भी पता चला कि there is no room service. तो मुझे नीचे जाना पड़ा, and they gave me the menu of some nearby hotel, and or else I could have ordered from Grab, लेकिन मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा था. So I got the menu from downstairs and I ordered something, and hopefully it will be there. रूम में चाय कॉफ़ी बनाने तक का वो नहीं है. It is in some other rooms. I didn't understand. So from the reception, I got some chai. They have chai and coffee. No, they didn't have coffee. They had chai. तो ये, let me show you. तो ये काली चाय I got, और इसमें मैंने शक्कर मिक्स की है. I wanted to get some marshmallow, which I left at the reception because मैंने निकाली थी marshmallow and didn't carry it. So yeah, I think I needed this time for myself कि मैं लेटूँ और relax करूँ, because मैंने कुछ खा लिया था New Year's पर, and because of that मैं अभी ज़्यादा चल रही हूँ, तो my stomach is hurting. तो मुझे अपने आप को इतना पुश नहीं करना है. Just waiting for the food. मेरा खाना आ चुका है. Let's see what's there inside. Spoon. some bread. I have my spaghetti. Oh my god, it's gonna be too much of food. But anyways, what is this? All right. Yeah, I was just about to order this. Just this, not this. I am so glad. भाई इतने में मेरा गुजारा कैसे होता? And this is the bread they have. I mean, wow. इतना सारा खाना भेज दिया. मैं कैसे खाऊं? मेरा पेट ज़्यादा भर नहीं जाएगा. Anyways, ये इतना सारा bread तो मैं नहीं खाने वाली हूँ. I'm not a bread lover. But ooh, alright. ये पहले वाला जब मैंने इसका description देखा था, like this one, it sounded like this one is enough for me, but I am so glad that मैंने spaghetti भी बाजू में मंगवा लिया. Oh my god, वरना मैं भूखी मर जाती क्योंकि इस रूम में यहाँ पे hot water बनाने का भी नहीं है that I can make my cup noodle or something and have it. Thankfully, I ordered all of this and I'm gonna have it and go to sleep. The food is yummy here, like literally. इन्होंने इत्तू सा ही दिया है, but it's yummy. Like I love it. Oh my god. The dried tomatoes. Oh my god. Mira spaghetti. Oh my god. It's आपको जब भूख लगती है सब चीज़ अच्छी लगने लगती है. This has got nothing to do with my भूख. This is actually very very nice. Very very nice. ये पूरा जाएगा मेरे मुंह के अंदर. Oh my god. मौज ही मौज. मौज ही मौज. ये कैमरा कैसे पकड़ रही हो? क्या मस्त बनाया इन लोगों ने. Mm. 10 on 10, 100 on 100. I don't know on what. क्या बक रही हूँ मैं. जब आपको भूख लगती है, ये इटली का यही है. पिज्ज़ा पास्ता इनको कोई नहीं बीट कर सकता है भाई. इतना अच्छा. आज रात को सुकून की नींद आएगी. I'm gonna sleep like a baby because it's amazing. Oh my god. Good morning everyone. It is the next day and I am all ready to fly back to Dubai. कितना खूबसूरत sunny day है. Apparently it's raining in Dubai and I'm super excited to fly back. हाँ, ये पहला layover है जिसमें मैं बाहर बिल्कुल भी नहीं गई हूँ. But it's fine. I have 3 minutes to go down. I will see you in Dubai. Hello from the aircraft. I'm in the aircraft right now. This flight was almost about to get diverted when it was landing here to some other destination because of the fog and everything, but thankfully it landed. We got the aircraft and right now we are preparing the aircraft and then we hopefully depart on time and go back to Dubai. Super excited. I had a coffee. I woke up. Usually I'm not a coffee person. Chai chahiye. Hi guys, we are back to Dubai and this is my cat Rooster whom me and one of my friends kidnapped from AOC. अपना शक्ल देख के खुद ही ये डर गया है. I know I completely forgot to record the outro. और मैं थोड़ी देर पहले ही घर पे पहुंची हूँ and I gave food to my cats. I have another cat. Her name is Coco, but she's right now like having her food, and that's why I couldn't. I can't get her, and he's also getting excited for the same. खाने के लिए देखो इस बिल्ले को देखो इस बिल्ले को. I know I couldn't record a lot because मैं बहुत बीमार पड़ गई थी इस layover पे. I was flying with my batchmate and nothing much to show and all that. I know. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and maybe like and share or whatever. And I will see you next time with a much explore kind of video. I know this time I just couldn't. Jo bhi hai dekh lo, and I'll see you next time. Bye.